Oh man, Matt's releasing his update. Been talking about it, been wanting to do it. Um, let's see here. So 9.5, I am, as you know, I'm one of the alpha testers, beta testers, whatever for ZimmWriter. Good morning. I just woke up, brushed my hair, saw Matt did publicly say this, so I'm going to share this. The new update from Matt is included a couple really amazing things. It does roundups, which is fantastic. And if you look at my site here, these articles are some of the roundup samples that have been made using this software. Now, you'll notice he also talks about that he's releasing DALL-E 3. Well, I don't have it as a featured image you can see, but here's one of the images that were produced with ZimmWriter and automatically set as a featured image. What else do we have going on? Oh yeah, some changes. I'm not going to show you the interface and the updates. I'll let Matt do that. And since I think it's going live today, you can get to enjoy that on your own. I've been allowing people to come hang out every day inside the SEO Training Camp Facebook group. And in there, we've been dropping a link to our live Google Meets that we pretty much have running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, dropping gold nuggets, changing people's lives. If you want to be a part of that, join the SEO Training Camp group on Facebook. We'll be doing some recording starting this next week. We have the new course that we are prepping for. I'm going to release on February 1st. Recording is going to be done different than any way you've ever seen before. And if you show up in the group, drop a topic that your industry that you represent or that is your biggest client, and you might be selected to join one of these live recordings. Be participating in some of the inside crew, team, and staff, and see just exactly how we do things, and find out why everyone is being blown away by what we do. Anyways, check out ZimmWriter 9.5. Oh, as another thing too. We will be inviting 1 to 2 additional people each time we record a new session, so that people get to see how we do it, and we can, because everyone on the team knows all this stuff. Everyone on the team has been through this for 3 months with me. Everyone on the team could literally dominate any industry. Dave, a week ago, he shared with us in the group last night. Dave, 1 week ago, bought a brand new domain, new website, followed everything I spoke to him about, have no backlinks, and literally all over the UK, dominated. We're talking a 2-hour drive away is a featured snippet, is a ranking number 1, is got his knowledge graph, dominating. No backlinks, no nothing, service industry. So it is possible. I've tried to show the people the patents behind why these things are possible. I've tried to talk sense to the world. And the people that are in the inside crew really have spent months trying to interpret the things I'm saying or apply the things and make it simple. I've really tried to make these patents and research simple to understand and digest, and easy, actionable steps. And that's what they've done. And just killing it. My wife was blown away. She came out when he was trying to demo what he's done and put into practice. So big shout out to Dave, man. That was beautiful to see.
I didn't think one of the new guys could do it.
Wifey straight up said right now she didn't think one of the new guys could do it.
And because I know you can do it, but I didn't think one of the new guys could do it. And he did, just following exactly what he said.
Yeah, she's seen me do that multiple times, but she was so surprised to see one of the team members, one of the students, one of the graduates
actually do it.
Knock it out the park. We are so impressed. grateful because I always worry that I'm speaking above other people. I worry that people may not necessarily understand. It seems they sometimes do. They get excited about the things I share, but I don't necessarily see them applied. Well, this is the first time, and I am just beaming with pride. Dave, love you, man. That was impressive, and I'm grateful to see that. Uh, yeah, I think you've done a great job there, Dave. Anyhow, guys, I'm going to stop this recording. Oh, yeah. All these are made with the new Roundup, with the new Roundup software, with the exception of the article Bad for Crows. This is also made with the new software. But these Roundups I have here on my website, all made with the new ZimmWriter. So there's the images. It's pulling them in from Amazon. It's beautiful. The layout issue is my own problem. That's a thing with the website. I definitely have to get... Wifey said sorry. Anyways, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day. I'm going to be jumping on here in a few minutes. I got to get this processed and uploaded to YouTube. So have an awesome weekend, and much love from California.